Is your PS5 displaying error code WS-114298-5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. When you are getting error WS-114298-5, first restart the game and the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. So, exit the game, then press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power, choose the Restart PS5 option. Once the device restarts, launch the game and check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Check your internet connection. The next thing you can do is check the internet connection. You can try connecting other devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also open PS5 settings. Then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Method 3. Power cycle the router. Next, you can restart the router or modem to eradicate any connectivity issue. Turn off the router, unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. Plug the router back into the power outlet. Power on the router and wait for all panel lights to turn green. Now relaunch the game. Method 4. Check the PSN status. The next thing you should check is the PS5 server status. To check that, open PS5 settings, then select Network. Then select View PlayStation Network Status. If there is any ongoing maintenance or issues with the server, then also you may get the error. You can also open the PlayStation Network server page to check for any issues. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then try to restore the license. Method 5. Enable console sharing and offline play. Next, enable the console sharing and offline play option. To do so, go to Settings, then select Users and Accounts, then Other. Now select Console Sharing and Offline Play and enable Console Sharing and Offline Play settings. Method 6. Check for updates. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software update. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 7. Change DNS. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 9. Contact support. If the method shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code WS-114298-5 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.